Okay, so telecommunication churn analysis we will do, means that is again exploratory data analytics. Okay, what library we need? Import pandas for importing the data. Okay, pandas as pd. Next, what you need to do? Import numpy as np. Next, import matplotlib matplotlib as plt. Next, what you want? Import matplotlib dot, I'm sorry, as plt, and import seaborn also we will. That also, I'm sorry, means if anything missing, if we get the error, then I will come and do. But okay, percentage matplot lib inline. Okay, and what the other thing you can do? Import seaborn as sns. Okay, any library is missing? Seaborn matplot, all the thing is done. Okay, so I import first part of the analytics in Python is import libraries. Next, load the data. No module with the pyplot. Huh? Matplotlib. 1 minute. Okay, I use the actually. Yes. Now it will work. Why it shows error? Okay, I given the space. I'm saying. Okay, so now load the data file. Okay, so load the data file. That is my next point. Load the data file, and what you will do? That is the simple thing, na? Pd dot read. What is the file? CSV, and I put that file into the my PWD. Okay, present working dictionary. You know that what is the present working dictionary? So I saved my file in PWD. See user admin. Okay, I go to the admin. This is the file. Okay, so I directly call now this file because it is available in PWD, present working dictionary. So you can call that file dot csv. Okay, so data loading is done. Now I want to see what you want to see. Top 5. Just see the, okay, what no, I need to assign one variable for this data. So what I will write here now, earlier we assign like a df, but now means more, means try to do more professional way coding. Okay, so like write down the data name so you can interpret when you go through again. Easily you can say, okay, this data is the base data, like that. Okay, so I go and write teleco and telecommunication. So I write teleco underscore base underscore data, like that. I assign. So it is more, you can say, I can understand that this is the base data of the telecommunication. Okay, now this is the your data teleco base, teleco underscore base underscore data. Okay, and I want to see head. Okay, use head top 5. Okay, so data loading is done. Now I want to see the shape of this data. Okay, so what is the shape of this data? Okay, and I don't want to type again and again, so I use control CV dot shape. What is the shape of the data? Okay, and it will tell me the 7043 row and 21 column. Okay, and even you can see the columns. Okay, so how you can see the columns? Dot C, the column is disabled. Okay, so these are the initial thing you need to do. Now I want to see, or I want to check the data type. Okay, of all the columns. So I want to check data type for all the columns. Okay, and what is the column name? That is the means what is the data frame? That is the telecommunication based data. Dot info, and dot info also you can do. That will give you the entire information, right? That is the one thing. Okay, this will give the entire information about that data, but I want to see the type. So what you need to do, it maybe you know earlier what we did. Dot d types, na, we did in our pandas classes. It will give the types of each data: customer id, objective type, gender object type, senior citizen is integer. But so this is the data type with respect to each column. Information. Okay, I want to see the info. Okay, let's see. This is your data. You want to see info. Okay, dot info, entire information you will get. Okay, like that: customer id, gender. So here all the thing is given. It is means give the information of the entire data set, like that. Okay, so if anyone want specific, I want to know only data type, then use d types. Okay, and now I want to do the descriptive stats. Okay, so check, or you can say check for descriptive. Maybe spelling will be wrong, huh? I don't know. Okay, so that is again very simple. What you need to do, you have data, describe means descriptive, describe, and use function. Okay, I want to see in means I want to convert row into column, column into row. See, it's look good now. Hmm? That I start the record. The first part, the senior citizen, the first row you can say, and their minimum 25, 50, 75 is not given. So you can say for senior citizen the data is not proper, or not means not as a required quantity. The second point is you can say the 75 percentile. Simple, you can see na, 75 percentile customer means 75% customer have a tenure less than 55 months as per our sample data. Okay, and the last one you can say the average monthly charges. Okay, the average, how much average charges? Average means mean, or 64.76, and where 25% customer pay. No. 25% customer pay more than 89.85 USD. Can I tell like that? Means no. Total is 100%, and if I tell you how many out of 100%, how many customer will pay more than 89.85? How many customer? Think in different way. 75 are less, are paying less than 89.5. And I'm asking how many will pay more than 89.85. That is the question. So when you answer in the exam now, please keep in mind what is the question. Okay? So means what is the purpose to do this? You should understand how to read this table. Okay? Any doubt regarding this descriptive? No? Okay. Hmm? Hmm. Less than, that is less than. No, you can say 25% people are giving less than 89.25 monthly charges. 18.25, less than 18.25. You can read like that. Means 50 percentile. Okay, 35 actually mentioned. I'm sorry. So less than 35.5. And you can read like that 50 percentile, or you can say 50% customer are paying less than 70.35. 75% customer are paying less than 89.35. But question is maybe sometime like that ki, okay, maybe sometime like that ki how many customer are paying more than 89.85. 25. Okay, so now this is the thing. Now I want to do some univariate analysis. Univariate means I will take one variable and try to analyze. Okay, so what I will be do. Okay, I want to see my DF head first. DF, no, that is there is no DF. This one, telecommunication based data, and I want to see head 2 and just try to see the data. What are the data? Okay, these are the data, and okay, I want to see the I want to do the analysis with respect to the churn. Means how many churn is occurred in last month. This is maybe last month data, na? Okay, as mentioned. Okay, whatever the as per the data, how many churn is occur? Total churn or no churn is present. So you can plot this. You can use that count plot. Huh? DF SNS dot count plot I use for the churn for see the churn variable only. Okay, so here the SNS I want to see the count plot related detail. Pass x I have that I will pass, and remaining what the thing is given. Here many thing is given. Okay, name wise even you can divide that on the basis of the category also by use of the HUE who, and okay, color also you can change, but let it be. I will not change the color. Okay, I just pass x is equal to something. Okay, so I want to pass x is equal to what I will pass, x is equal to churn, and what is the output? Okay, I'm sorry. The data is equal to this one. Now you are able to get. Okay, now here in this you have one more thing, that is the gender. I want to see the gender also. Okay, in the same graph. So how you can do for more detail? Okay, the HUE I think who is equal to this one. What does it? This one gender, and see this type of the thing we done in the data visualization. Okay, so now uh, means when you see na no churn means related means the male has a more means male are not churn compared to the female, you can say means you can say the male are not living. No churn means not living, yes, not living. HUE, that is the subcategory type of plot that already given I discussed in the data visualization for class. And HUE means in the same way you need to, that is the group by, you can say, in the graphical way. Huh? Means you want to do a group by for churn and gender. What error you are getting? What is the name of error? Can you tell me? Huh. So these are the thing. So okay. So these are the, you can say, univariate also. No issue. ना कर सकते हैं ना उसमें ही आगे कोमा करके मे बी यू कैन ट्राई इवन आई आल्सो नॉट ट्राइड but you can see. Okay, do what we can do. I want to see the percentile also. Can you tell me means how many percentile as are no churn and how many are churn? Means how many people are leaving that telecommunication company or how many are not leaving? Means customer are not leaving. So what you can do? Value count, simple na? And by use of okay, I will do percentage. You need to identify, right? So first I need to call data set. This is the data set. This is the data set, right? And now I want to call only churn. Okay, this is the churn. Now in churn I want to see the value counts. Value. These are the value counts. Okay. The next I want to see in percentage this value count, male and means no, this is not female male, churn or not churn. Okay, that I want to see in percentage. So how you can see? Use the simple formula, that is 100 into what we can do. I want 100. But I want to see the percentage of churn. Okay, yes or no. So how I can see? Hmm. 1 minute. The point, okay. So after that, this value count. What is the point is here? Key the no churn is 5174 and yes, the churn yes related data is 1869. So this means my point is this data is not balanced. Means when you do some analysis, na, so data should be balanced. That point also you need to consider. So you can say like that, कि data is not balanced. So you need to means maybe you not getting the proper insights. That is the one point. Okay. So just these are the means steps you need to check initially. Ki the description is proper or not. Descriptive stats is proper or not. It is normally distributed or not. That you can even plot the box plot. Also you can use to see is there outlier present or not. So these are the things. So now info related thing already we done na. So no issue. I want to see the missing value now. You can easily see the missing value. Is there any missing value present or not? You know the data, not be checked. Na? Okay, so what you need to do? This is the data set. Is null. This is the and sum So now here you can see there is no missing value. There is no missing value. If missing value, then you need to drop that particular row. If more than 40%, then drop that column. And many things means if they're less than 5% and 2% data missing, then you can use the mean also. So that we will discuss in the future actually. So now the next point, all are true, so there is no missing value. How we can do one more point? I think that is okay. So the main more means you can say one more problem is like that the total charges related data. Why I'm not getting? Okay, I go again. This is our data set and D types. If I type, I want to see the types. Okay, and now D types types actually. 1 minute. D types. Okay, and there one more means many times these are means assigned by the Python, and many time your Excel and the data set file there may be the variable assignment is not proper. Okay, so here the issue is like that when I talk about the total charges always should become in numerical format or integer float, that type of the data we needed. But what is the thing is given here, the total charges is given here in object means it is a string, and now this is not proper. Okay, so I need to change this string into the numerical format. So how to do that? Then only I will check about the this what we can say null value present or not, because this is the miss. So you need to check this type of the thing also before the analysis. Are you getting my point? Okay, so what I will be do, this is the data set. The data set is this one. Okay, and there what is the problem? This one is the problem as per the my x means knowledge. Okay, so what I will be do, this is the total charges dot total charges is equal to, I want to change. Okay, 1 minute. This is the total charges I want to change. Now what I will be do, it is a numeric. Okay, so what I will be do, I will pass this one. I want to convert this thing into the numeric. So into the data frame by use of the panda, I will change into the numerical format. So this is the thing. And now this pd2 pd2 dot to numeric means I want to change by use of the panda library. I want to change into the numeric format. Numeric means integer or float, you can say. And what I want to change in this data set, total charges. Okay, can I run this code? Okay, I run. Okay, what is the error? Just want to see. Unable to place string at this position. So what error is coming now? 1 minute. PD dot to numeric. Okay, just I want to check the function. Okay, downcast is known. Convert argument is a numerical type, and errors. 1 minute. I will check. What the thing is given. 1 minute. For error, there may be some. Error. There I need to write something. Okay, error rise or there. What I will be do. 1 minute. These are the thing you need to pass. So if error is coming, rise or co erase also I can do. So what I want to co Okay, so this you need to type. Okay, error, COERC means if error you are getting the error, then type this thing. Hmm. So 1 minute, I will zoom this particular thing. Huh. Okay. So what is the point here? Means now all the data which are in the object that is converted into the numeric. Okay. And now again if I check, okay, so this is the this I want to change now. So in where 1 minute, this particular thing where I want to do this particular change in my data frame in the total equal to this one. This is the entire line. So try to understand code in part wise. Okay. No, you will get. Now I converted that data means total charges data into the numerical type. Okay. And now I will check. This is the data set. I'm sorry. This is the data set. Okay. And dot is null. Dot sum run. And now see, is there any null value present? I think no. Okay, so why I'm not? You getting 11? Huh? No, no, no. The 11 RA means there may be missing value. 1 minute. Now I'm getting the 11. So maybe I run the earlier wala DF. So now total charges there 11 are missing. 11 out of how many? What is the shape of data? Out of how many 11? Can you tell me? So it is okay. Okay, so you can drop this. How to drop? Dot drop and so first what you need to do in this particular column, what is the column name? That is the total charges. DF, call the total charges only column. So capital bracket, ask total charges. You will get the total charges is equal to null. You will get true false. Call that particular thing into the data, actual data, and you will get only true. Only true. Only true. If you call into the DF, then you will get only true. Then you can drop that you can drop. Okay. So like that you can do the and what the question. Just quickly write down what is the I'm expecting from this thing. Okay. So first you need to identify the count of churn. Okay. With respective gender. Okay. As well as what you can do, plot the graph between the monthly charges and total charges and try to identify what is the relationship between them. Monthly charges and total charges. Count. Identify the count female male means on the basis of the gender the customer is churn or not. What I said 1 minute. 1 minute I forgot. Okay. Draw the plot graph or means draw the relationship between the monthly charges and the total charges. So you need to plot the graph. What type of the graph plot that you decide. So which shows the relationship between these two. between monthly charges and total charges. And what you can do, okay, and okay, correlationship I will do tomorrow, because okay, that also we have 5 minute time. 5 minute ना कर सकते हैं ना. When the exam will start? इनका कुछ है क्या करना? Okay, I quickly do. Now you have data set. This is the data set. What is the total base data? That is the data set. How to drop that, you know, right? We already discussed in our previous lecture also. So according to that, do it. Okay. Now if I write CORR, and this is the one function, and if I press CORR and just run this code, so what you are getting now? This is the table, and this is the correlationship, Pearson correlationship table. Okay. And even you can make a heat map. And if I want to plot this particular thing in the graphical manner, so I will use SNS dot heat map, heat map, and pass this correlationship function. Maybe it will work. I try to do quickly. Let's see what will be the output. This is the plot. Okay. Now both the thing, this first we try to understand with this data, means what it shows. We know that the when you identify the relationship between the same variable, means both are the same, right? So you will get obviously one, means they are strongly correlated because both are same, right? Means when I talk about the senior citizen, both are the same value, that's why I'm getting the one. Means both are same, means they are strongly correlated, so no issue. Now when I talk about this tenure and senior citizen, what is the correlationship between them? That is the 0.16, right? And here also you are getting the 0.16. Same. Monthly charges and tenure, if I see, what is the thing? 0.24. When I talk about the total charges and tenure, what is the relationship? That is the 0.82. Are you getting my point? So it shows like that ki total charges and tenure both are dependent. Are you getting my point? Means when you increase the total charges, the tenure also increase. This is the relationship. So why we are doing the correlationship? It shows ki it is only applicable for independent data. First point. Okay, in independent data, we try to identify is there any relationship between the independent data, that is nothing but the multicollinearity. Okay, in stats. So if there any relationship between the independent data, then you need to drop that column for further analysis, for predictive analysis. That is the modeling part. That is actually after that machine learning start. So that is not in your syllabus, but I'm just telling you. Okay. So this is the point why Pearson correlationship we do. We try to identify the relationship between the independent variable. And if they are highly correlated, means what is the highly correlated means general. This is the total charges and tenure. Their relationship is 0.8, means it shows like that when I increase the total charges, generally the tenure will increase. And when I increase the tenure, the generally vice versa, total charges will increase. This is the interpretation of this correlation. Are you getting? So now this is the part of the feature engineering in machine learning, or in you can say analytics. This is the part of the feature engineering. On the basis of that, you will select some feature which are highly correlated to your dependent variable. Dependent means sales, profit. What are the things? That is the dependent. Okay, so I stop here. How to identify correlation, that also we discuss, and now on the basis of that you can do the some analysis. Okay, do some means bivariate also you can do na. So I want to see the plot between the partner count with respect to the gender. These three things. that also try to plot. This is nothing but bivariate, right? Means partner, one column is given, partner count I want with respective male and female. Simple. Means with respective gender. Okay. So that you can easily do. And what you can do, uh, see the contract type, means there may be monthly customer also given. So on the basis of the contract type, try to identify some insights. कि who means monthly based customer stay more time period or yearly based customer stay more time period, that try to identify. Okay. And try to identify some insights with regard to senior citizen, means they are also means churn or not, like that. Means try to identify some insights and show me. Can I put this as an assignment too? Can I put? Okay. So I think more than enough for today. Huh?